Welcome to Functional Home Guide. Here, we explore how to create practical, elegant, and efficient spaces in your home. Today, we're diving into the top 5 must-have features for a functional kitchen. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply looking for ways to enhance your kitchen's functionality, these ideas are game changers. So, let's get started. First on our list is smart storage solutions. A functional kitchen requires organized spaces. Install pull-out shelves to maximize deep cabinet space, use drawer dividers for utensils, and consider lazy Susans for corner cabinets. These features save time and reduce clutter, ensuring everything has its place. Next, let's talk about ample counter space. A clutter-free prep area is essential. If you can, add an island or extend your counters. Bonus points if your island includes extra storage or seating. The more workspace you have, the more functional your kitchen becomes. Third on the list is the efficient work triangle. The distance between your sink, stove, and refrigerator should form a triangle, allowing easy movement while cooking. This layout minimizes steps and makes meal prep seamless. Coming in at number 4 is proper lighting. A well-lit kitchen isn't just functional, it's inviting. Use task lighting under cabinets for meal prep, pendant lights for islands, and ambient lighting for an overall warm atmosphere. It's all about layering your light sources. Last but not least, easy-to-clean surfaces are a must. Opt for durable materials like quartz countertops, which are stain-resistant, and smooth backsplash tiles that wipe clean in seconds. These choices make maintenance a breeze and keep your kitchen looking pristine. And there you have it, our top 5 must-have features for a functional kitchen. Which feature is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your home design topics or ideas. Who knows, your suggestion might inspire my next video. Thanks for watching Functional Home Guide. See you next time!